My name is Peter from Campkin's RV Center in Whitby, and let me show you a beautiful couples trailer. This is the Avenger 27RBS, and you're going to love this trailer. Let's take a look at a couple things real quick, shall we? The first thing you're going to see is that this one has a lot of storage space. We're talking Grand Canyon size of storage space for everything that you need when you take yourself camping. Nice solid steps. Nice big grab bar right here, so when you come in you feel safe, especially if you have something that's a little heavier. As we take a look at the outside kitchen, everything to spend as much time outside as you want to. You've got two burners, you've got a hot and cold running water sink, you've got a nice little refrigerator. Everybody wants to spend more time outside camping, and this gives you that opportunity. Electric awning, LED lights, indoor outdoor speakers, everything that you need. When we go inside, you're going to see some great things here. One is that there's a gigantic slide here. You can see that the dinette's in the sleeping position right now. One quick hint for you, always travel with your trailer like this. It's more safe. You're going to see that right here we have a beautiful couch, and it's directly across from the television, which everybody likes, so that you're not twisting your head all the time trying to watch your favorite TV show. Now let's take a look at this bathroom. It just goes on and on and on, and there is a lot of space in here. Nice big shower. You see that there's cupboard space around the toilet and also a ledge there too with a window. You'll see a nice medicine cabinet and drawers for everything that you want. You could use one side for a pantry, and you could use the other side for towels. And just think about this. You have a bunch of people over, and now you've come back from the beach. Everybody can go in the washroom and they can change, and there's lots of space in there. So that's one added feature for the fact that that bathroom is so big. Let's take a look at the bedroom real quick. We're going to see that it is a walk-around bed. There's storage above, there's storage on the sides. There's everything that you need. Windows on either side, and that means there's lots of light in here. And finally, we'll come back to the kitchen real quick. One thing that's important, you're going to see we have 3 drawers here, okay? Really important. Nice big farm sink, storage here, microwave, and let's take a look at the fridge. This is pushing almost 11 cubic feet. Less trips to the grocery store and more storage space. So here we have the Avenger 27RBS. It's a beautiful trailer right here at Campkin's. Let us make your RV dreams come true.